Hey guys, if your control panel is not opening from the start menu or from the desktop, so here is the fix guys. You have to search this thing on the start menu. Just copy this command. I will ping this into the description box below. Now click on start button and paste it over here, or you can write it down also. Percentage system root percentage forward slash. Make sure this is forward slash system 32 and hit enter. Now in the search bar search *cpl and hit enter. All of these file is showing which has extension of .cpl, so but you have to find this file appwiz.cpl. Just double click on it. It will open uninstall or change program. Now from this you can redirect to the control panel by clicking on the button. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching.